Scott are the largest goggle manufacturer in the world and are based in the small town of Mattighofen, Austria, just 2 kilometres from the KTM factory. The Scott grips and goggles are made by an injection moulding process, where tiny particles of rubber are placed into the computerised system. The small particles are melted and compressed into a mould. The rubber is cooled quickly and ejected from the machine. The goggles are made in the same way, but the colour is added by introducing a small number of pellets of the desired colour into the white rubber. Scott's largest market is not motocross, but skiing, in which sales are higher than any other sport. The frames are matched to the lenses and straps and are shipped out ready for distribution all over the world.